Hello and welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Look at this, a tuile to upgrade your plating. Yeah, it's a very fancy way of adding color to your kitchen. It's very simple to prepare. Right now I'm gonna show you the recipe. You just need some oil, some flour, color, water, and a mixer. I'm adding just in the mixer, I'm adding 80 grams of water, 30 grams of oil, 10 grams of flour, and the colors you like. I'm using some food color, some organic ones I got here, the ones I use for my daughter baking, and I'm gonna use the same. Imagine you can use this in all the colors you want. Yeah, you can have a tuile. I'm doing a red one now, but you can make it orange, blue, green, the color you like. So right now here, I'm gonna show you how I did it. Quite simple. I hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you.